Hey guys, check out this keto haul from 7-Eleven. So there's so many junk food things to eat there, high carb, but there's also a bunch of good low carb stuff to eat. So check this out. So we got some pickle bites, hot and spicy. Carb count on that, just a couple there. And then got these Bavarian meats here, like pepperoni sticks. 0 carbs. Boiled eggs, doing good there. And then got some 7-Eleven mozzarella sticks. And I'm gonna try these. I'm gonna give these a shot. So these are buffalo wings. And then of course some for dessert, got some low carb Cool Whip, Ready Whip. And then they got this sparkling water here. This tastes just like a soda. I like these better. And then no carbs on these at all. No artificial sweeteners. Let's check out these hot wings. They smell really good. Very good. All right. Yeah, you can do it. You can eat at 7-Eleven and stay on a keto, low-carb diet. All right, I'm dying to try these pickles too. Let's give them a shot. Oh, dang. Super good too. All right, thanks again, you guys.